Hi there. So in this video, you will see this. Here we can see that the query updates to the tasks of the responsible person. Here we can see that the query updates to the task with the importance higher above the set value. And here we can change the date format globally for every query. Hello again. So it's me again. Actually, my voice is a little bit damaged the last couple of days, but still, I really wanted to show you this very nice feature. This is why I could not wait longer to reveal it to you, and this is why I really want to show it to you right now. Yes, so let's jump right into it. It's about global variables and how we can use them in the data views. Okay, and therefore I have three use cases. First of all is imagine your tasks have certain responsibilities and you want to change the results of your query in regard to a specific responsibility. The second one is you are just able to manage tasks with a certain priority or higher than a certain priority, and thereby you would like to adjust your query without actually changing the query itself. And the last one is you are used to a certain date format in your queries and you would like to have always the same date format in your whole vault, or by changing the date format at one place, it changes everywhere in the vault. Yes, so let's start with the first one, the one with the responsibilities. So in general, I like to have a page where I have global variables. Now I will create this property, which is called responsible. And now let's add a responsibility to write a song. Oops. And maybe the person Moritz is responsible for that. And add new members to the band. Chris is responsible for that. So, and now we can see all the tasks here. Let me just copy this query somewhere else. It doesn't even matter, but I just put it here. Yeah, now we can see all the tasks. And now let's add the global variable for the person. So I just want to see the tasks where responsible contains the responsible person, which is written here. And therefore, we link it to global variables, make a dot, and write the property here, responsible. Yes, now we see everything. Or actually, not everything. We just see the ones where responsible is empty, because two are missing. These are the ones where we did not define a responsible person. But when I write Chris now here, the query should only show the task for Chris and here for Moritz. Yes, and this is because of that. Okay, great. So the second example, we want to see tasks just higher than a certain priority. And therefore, I already changed the importance of the tasks to integer format and removed those text formats or string formats. With integers, it's easier to tell your queries, just show me tasks which are higher than. With strings like that, it's not that easily possible. So let me first of all sort the tasks so that we have the most important ones above. And now you see that there's an error because this one should be on top here. And I can show you why. There's no error here. When we go inside here, we see this. So as I changed the format, I need to, yeah, I don't know, make this property type change valid. And yes, so we need to click in here. Okay, so now it should be right. Now we have a proper integer format here. And actually, now how I'm using it personally, I have this kind of task page, and in that page, I define the property of my priority. So just write importance here, and maybe I'm just able to handle the tasks with a priority 3 or higher. Now let's implement this. We tell that the importance is bigger or the same as the importance of this document. Now we can see, I will open up the same page on the right here, that we can see the changes. So now we only see the tasks with the importance 3 or 4. And if I type in 2, we also see the ones with 2. And when I type in 4, I should only see the ones with 4. Yes, and therewith I can completely individualize my tasks page for a certain day, which might be very busy, or when I have more time, I just yeah, enter the, for example, the importance of 0, and then you can see all your tasks. And the last example, let's create a date format variable, which is this. And now I would like to change, for example, the due date here. Do it like this first of all. To this format, and therefore we just type date format, and we give this date this format as due date. An arrow, need a comma here. Yes, now you can see that the date format changed. And why did I write as due date? Maybe I can show this quickly, because otherwise this appears here in the header, and I just want to have this smaller text here. Yes. And I personally changed all my queries where I have dates to this kind of format. So it's actually this. So let's just copy and paste it and do it like this. And now the deadline has the same format. And now you can see the benefit of it, because now when I would remove the year, for example, it is removed for both, and I would not need to go in the query and change it here and also here and also in those other queries. So let's also do it here, because we also have due date and deadline here, so we can just copy the same down here, and now you can see it's also changed here. But let's move the year back in, and now you see that it changes in every query. Great. So I think that's it basically. Now feel free to combine all the things I showed to you. So creating a query where you only see tasks of a specific person or people with a priority with this and that. And also maybe you can create a query, or you can tag your task with when you would like to do them. So in the morning or in the evening. So write down the number of the hour. So when you want to do them in the morning, maybe you write 9 or 10 or 11. And when you would like to do your task in the evening, just write 20 for 8 p.m. or 21 for 9 p.m. And then you can create again a global variable in which you state the current time. Maybe it's 3 p.m., so 15, and thereby you will not see the tasks in the evening. Whenever you needed help with that, just let me know. Um, but I hope this tutorial is sufficient enough to solve this problem. Yeah, feel free to be creative. I hope this helps you a lot, and just contact me if you have any questions. Have a good day. Bye bye.